Welcome to this beautiful setting on this beautiful summer evening and to the ceremony that will unite Whitney and Stu in marriage. How do we meet our soulmate in this lifetime? Randomly going to an EMT training class in Woburn seems an unlikely way, yet that is just what happened to Whitney and Stu in the summer of 2014.
When Stu and Whitney met, it just seemed like it was meant to be right from the start. That notion has only grown stronger over the years that they have dated. There's just something about their relationship that is perfectly balanced. One thing that I've always felt is true about you two is that you complement each other in all the right ways.
Our favorite song, Mr. Brightside.
And with 1 week at midnight, he called and said, "I like you. Do you want to go to a movie, just the two of us?" Whitney said yes. And on July 27th, 2014, they had their first date.
I still take you, Whitney, to be my love and partner for the rest of my life.
I promise to challenge you and push you to be your best self.
I will work my hardest to support you in your personal goals.
I promise to love you in sickness and in health.
I will be open and honest with you.
I promise to continue to adventure, laugh, and dream with you.
I will always be your best friend and will never take our love for granted.
Ever since they found each other, I think it was clear to everyone that they would have a long future together. Whitney, I'm so excited for you to spend the rest of your life with someone that you love so much and who fits into our family so wonderfully. And Stu, I'm genuinely so happy that you were bold enough to call Whitney that one night because it brought you into our lives and got you your beautiful new wife.
To both of you, I'm excited to see what the future holds for you, both as a couple and as individuals. I love you both and couldn't be happier for you. Whether it's in Denver or wherever else life takes you, I truly wish you the best, and I look forward to being a small part of your lifetime of happiness.
Whitney, I honestly couldn't have asked for a better sister, and I'm so honored to share this day with both of you. I love you both, and cheers to a new life with a last name that everybody mispronounces. Here's to Mr. and Mrs. Ludicky.
It gives me great pleasure to pronounce that you are husband and wife. You may kiss your beautiful bride.
Ruff.